always working out with her. Making sure she gets her workout. Exercise is key for dogs. Good girl. Look at her. Look at that. Just killing her food. She hasn't had the sardine in about a week, so I'm surprised she didn't go after that first. Or something that looks different to her. She's never had the chicken foot, so I'm excited to see how she treats that. Eat it up. I can touch her food. She don't care. Good girl. Hate this because you always gotta wash the deck. Let me get some. Zora, baby.